Inside a snowflake, like the one on your sleeve, there happened a story you must see to believe. Way up in the mountains, in the high range of Pontoos, lay the small town of Whoville, the home of the Whos. Ask any Who, and they'll have this to say: there is no place like Whoville around Christmas Day. Every window was flocked, every lamppost was dressed, and the Whoville band marched in their Christmassy best. Arbor Day was fine, and Easter was pleasant, and every St. Fizzing's Day they ate a fizz pheasant. But every Who knew, from their 12 toes to their snout, they loved Christmas the most, without a single Who doubt.
Barfingles welcomes you. Merry Christmas. Thank you for shopping Barfingles.
We've got a snoozlephone for your brother Drew, and a snoozlephone for your brother Stu, a munkle for your uncle, a fant for your aunt, and a fanpa for your cousin Leon. So we just need Cindy. Cindy Lou. Merry Christmas. Cindy. Oh, hello, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Fred. Excuse me. Lou. Cindy Lou, honey.
Dad?
Yeah?
Doesn't this seem like a bit much?
This is what Christmas is all about. Can't you feel it?
Merry Christmas! Thank you for shopping Barfingles. Wait a second! Don't forget your change!
Another minute, closer to Christmas!
And for the next 5 minutes only, 99% off!
Yes, every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot. But the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, did not.
Hi, girls! All the good mistletoe's at the top! Hey, Drew! I'll race you! Not if I reach you first! Last one at the top's a sticky old Grinch!
You guys, where are we? I think we should go back.
What? You're scared of the Grinch!
They say he lives up here in a big cave, and he only comes down when he's hungry for the taste of Who flesh.
Oh, Drew!
Guys! You're scared of the Grinch! You're scared of the Grinch!
Touch the door. Do it for me, Stu.
Well done, Max. Serves them right, those Yuletide loving, sickly sweet knob sucking cheermongers. I really don't like them. No, I don't. Max! Get my cloak. I've been much too tolerant of these juvenile delinquents and their innocent, victimless pranks. So they want to get to know me, do they? They want to spend a little quality time with the Grinch. I guess I could use a little social interaction.